Good morning, students. So today we are going to learn about the water pollution. In my previous video we have learned about the air pollution. Now we are going to learn about the water pollution with an activity. Okay, this is a glass jar. I have taken this jar for my activity. Okay, this jar is representing oceans, any river or any lake, okay, which have water. आप इसको कुछ भी मान सकते हो, ओशन मान सकते हो आप इसको. इफ यू वांट टू बी थिंक एज रिवर, यू कैन थिंक इट एज अ रिवर ऑल्सो. सो नाउ आई एम फिलिंग दिस जार विद क्लियर वाटर, विद फ्रेश वाटर. So now the jar is filled. Okay, now I filled this jar with clear water, as you can see it. साफ पानी से मैंने इसे भर दिया. Now it is a beach side. Imagine ये क्या है, बीच का साइड है and people are going for a walk there. People वहाँ पर वॉक पर आते हैं and people have garbage with them also. Okay, sometimes they have what? They have some plastic wrappers in which they have food. Now the food is finished and the wrapper is empty. Now they throw water on the beach here and there and it eventually end up in water. Okay, they throw the garbage here and there and then it went with the air in water. Okay, you have some unfinished pencils which you cannot able to write, and sometimes people throw this also in water. It went down low, it comes up. Okay, some broken pieces of plastic people also throw in water. Okay, and some broken pieces of jewelry they also throw in water only. Some another material which is not decomposable, and they all are made up of harmful chemicals that makes the water dirty. You can see now that people are throwing a lot of garbage inside the water, and that makes the water dirty. What it do? It makes the water dirty. We cannot able to drink this water. See, and soon color start changing. जब आप इतनी सारी डर्टी चीजें वाटर में फेंकोगे तो वाटर का कलर गंदा हो जाएगा, जैसे कि इसका अब हो गया है. Now, are you able to drink this water? I don't think so. So why we have polluted it if we can't drink it? हमने इसको इतना pollute क्यों किया जब हम उसे drink ही नहीं कर सकते थे? And this is happening now. Many people are throwing their garbage inside the water bodies like ocean and rivers. Many industries like factories, they are throwing their garbage inside the water. We are throwing our plastic inside the river. Okay, this causes the water pollution and makes the water dirty, and we are not able to drink it. Some garbage flows down to the ocean bed. कुछ garbage ocean के जमीन तले तक चले जाता है और कुछ ऊपर float करता रह जाता है. Okay, and this garbage harm the ocean marine life. ये ocean में रहने वाले animals को बहुत ज़्यादा harm करता है. They die eventually while eating them. Okay, they eat them, they stuck in them and they died. So you must not pollute water because it is harmful for us also. Nobody have to pollute the water because we are drinking this water. We drink polluted water, we got illness, and then we got diarrhea. Okay, so that is why we must not throw our garbage here and there because it eventually end up going in water. अगर हम garbage इधर उधर भी फेंकते हैं तो वो end में water में ही चला जाता है. You can observe this. Okay, so as you can see, now this water previously was very clear, but now we are not able to drink it because it becomes dirty. देखो आपको दिख रहा है ना, अब पहले कितना क्लियर था, अब गंदा हो गया पानी. इसके अंदर बहुत सारी डर्ट इन्वॉल्व हो गई है. ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ दिस गार्बेज एंड ऑल. And not only because of the plastics and the human activities pollute the water, there are some natural causes also. Natural causes क्या होते हैं? जैसे कि फिश वाटर में रहती है, हाँ, और वाटर में वो मर गई, और मर गई तो वो सड़ जाएगी वहाँ पर. तो that is a natural cause, and we cannot stop a natural cause. That will happen, but it will repay also. वो ठीक भी हो जाएगा. पर if we pollute the water, then ocean will not able to recover it. Okay, so and there is one more thing, that volcanic eruption. Do you know, students, what is a volcano? I'll share you one video and you watch that video on water pollution, and this is the all about the activity of water pollution. So you have seen it, that throwing garbage in water bodies make it dirty and pollute and do water pollution. I hope you understand well by this activity, and you will never throw your garbage here and there. You always put in dustbin, okay? And don't throw the garbage of dustbin also here and there. Understand? So bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Have a good day.